This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Today, we have this beautiful website, and the problem is that in mobile version, the images are just cropped, yeah? So, is there a way to fix this problem? Yes, there is a way, and I can give you the solution, right? I've tested this template. This is a hedge template, right? So we go to site styles and we choose our slider index gallery. And after this, we want aspect ratio to 50 and fixed height. No, we don't want. Yeah, and 50. And it solves our problem absolutely. Like, let's see. Right up here, you see this full screen stuff, yeah? We just go to mobile version and the pictures are absolutely beautiful, not cropped and all the stuff. We can even probably try something bigger, like 75 or something. Up here. Let's try again. Yeah. So simply turn off fixed height, choose 75 aspect ratio, then hit save, and you will be satisfied absolutely with the.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.